And we're back, day 3. I don't know, Brian, what day is it?
3 probably.
Brian's truck is essentially done, other than the fact that they got to put the wheels on it. And I really want to film this because they don't want to put the wheels on because they don't think it'll clear the lift. So they're gonna roll.
Probably clear, but I want to get it back.
I just want to see you roll his truck on jacks with the front wheels off the ground until they get past the lift. Then they're gonna put the wheels on.
So, my truck's out of the way.
Are you nervous, Brian?
No.
Oh, you got full faith in this?
Yeah.
So right now, Wes, he's at what? He's gonna be the same width as you?
Yeah.
So 96 inches wide. That's how wide Brian's truck's gonna be.
My truck is 93 inches wide.
Good luck, boys. Slow, hold up, slow. All right.
You got an any level whip.
Yeah, what could go wrong? Keep it at that speed, you're good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I don't know what that was, but
I pulled the jack straight.
Wes says go, but the jack's turning a lot over there. I don't like that sound.
Alright, stop right there.
How about right there is good enough?
No, now we can put the wheels on. I just said to clear the rack.
I'm with you.
Now we can put the wheels on.
Are you nervous, bro?
Yeah.
The jack was like,
Alright, go up on that jack so we can get it up.
There we go. One wheel on. Damn, bro, you're squatting.
I have a bunch of tools back there.
We should flip your wheels so you're digging and you're squatting. That'd be that's a good combo.
2, 3.
Didn't lower that much.
Dang, bro, she's tall.
Taller than mine.
Uh-oh. Some may say faster.
That's squat. Not anymore. Dang, you ain't got power mirrors, dog.
I gotta say though, this cleaned the whole front end up so much.
I'm a lot wider.
You can clear your bumper.
It's 2 inches wider on each side with the Cognito.
Now you need some spacers in the rear though, cause
I do have
you got spacers in the back?
a 2-inch.
Yeah, he's good. That's not mine.
I have the far from stock 2-inch spacer in the back.
Yeah, well, you're about 2 inches wider still in the front, maybe a little more.
Nah,
Yeah.
maybe an inch.
Nah, that's more than an inch. Bro, you're starting to look like me, dude. Can't find your keys now? You just had them 2 seconds ago?
Sure, I did.
This place is a mess.
Damn, dude. Can borrow this?
That's the drill master?
Yeah, you need it?
Oh, Wes had to one-up me here. I got the rapid charger. Wes got the supercharger.
Well, no, I couldn't pass a deal up. You already know that. But
Offer up.
this thing, the output for the 18-volt battery is 13.5 amps of charging. This one's only like 4.5 or something like that.
But so here's from everything I read research-wise, unless you're using one of the high-demand batteries,
Yeah, so
There's not that big of a difference.
Well, it's not good for the little batteries to charge them at that rate. The cells don't like it. But
It's also not going to charge that much faster than on a rapid charger. But if you're using the high-demand batteries, supercharger is the way to go.
Yeah.
So where's that new battery you got so I can write my name on it?
I already wrote my name on it, and it's hidden now.
Hey, nobody got one of the 6.0, so you're good.
Yeah, nobody had any fucking 3.0s either, and those are gone.
Oh.
So.
I'd blame Bryant.
Dump this fucking box down.
Are they on any type of key ring? Any type of...
they're on a work for it now.
Sure you didn't throw them away?
Bro, if you're gonna go dumpster diving, you should have left Wes's sweatshirt on. Now you're gonna get your clothes dirty.
Gosh, dude.
Jump in. You gotta go head first.
No.
Oh.
Oh, it's nice and ripe in here today too.
You didn't throw that much stuff away, right?
Oh, they'd go straight to the bottom too. They fell out of a box. Wes, you know the gate's open, buddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a bird's eye view.
All right.
Fucking.
Just check that bag of old Panda.
That's gross. So I just found Brian's keys. He gonna be pissed. Should we leave him in the dumpster?
There's Wes's keys right there, and then. Hey, look what I found.
All right, we won't make him sit in the dumpster. I'll go rescue him.
This is good.
Should we mess with him? They're right next to yours on that fucking little cart.
No, they weren't.
Yeah. The shit you not to work for it little thing I made was on top of him. Should we mess with him for a minute? Still ain't found it. How about these?
What were they? Did you have
these?
them the whole time? Did you really have them the whole time?
Nah, they're on the cart next to Wes's. I don't want to touch your hands even in the dumpster, but they're right next to Wes's on that little. Go wash your hands. There's coronavirus in there. All right, now we're ready to pull it out.
Oh, damn it.
What?
Great.
What?
Great.
I didn't see nothing touch. Is it? It's got to be on that side then. Oh, hold on. Turn it more. Yeah, more.
It's still rough?
Yeah, it rubs a little bit. It barely.
Well, I know the alignment's not perfect right now, so.
I think you're all right, dude. It don't rub no more than it did before. You don't need a straight bumper, right? A little crooked's cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, it needs to go up more then.
Pull it back in. We'll crank it up higher. Then we'll really squat the back. Currently, Brian's truck sits a little bit lower in the rear. They're still trying to figure out what the height they want to keep in the rear. So right now, it looks like we got to crank his front up just a little bit higher. That way he doesn't rub his tires anymore. Then they'll set the rear height, and then they'll be able to install the track bars. They don't want to install the track bars till they know what rear height they're going to use. How'd it ride, buddy?
The ride's really nice. And the steering's really stiff with the new Heim tie rod ends too.
It's amazing when there's no crack in your steering.
Right?
Dang, Brian's is way taller.
Yeah, right. Put a
Dude.
level on it.
Look at that.
No, we put a level on it.
He's got to go up a little higher.
Who's taller?
Me.
Oh, I see your mirrors now. Yeah.
My mirror's about an inch.
I just
taller.
look taller because of the hood.
Hey, but check us out.
Dude, his looks
We'll
wider,
get
though.
some lift kit like from Rough Country. We'll scab it onto this kit, and then we'll get up like 6 more inches, and we'll be taller than
Dude,
Wes.
why don't we just make it on your plasma?
Oh, plasma? Yeah, we'll just cut you something.
All right, sweet.
That'd be
Dude,
cool.
He looks wide as hell, though, doesn't he? I mean, they both.
It looks
wide.
the same.
Those things are wide, man.
Oh, those Archon.
Between 2 trucks, we need 3 parking spots.
In California, you do. All right, Chris. We've officially done it, buddy. Right there. Don't knock the whole tower over. We finally finished all of the orders. Chris has been over here building his great mountain. Great work, buddy.
Thank
Great
you,
work.
man.
It looks awesome. What are you going to name it?
C. Bailey 619 Mountain.
Oh, nice. Creative.
Again, I got to give a huge thank you to everybody that placed a order on workforapparel.com. This really did push us to our limits, which is what I wanted to see. You guys are awesome, and it was awesome to be able to give you guys cash back on all your orders and give back to you guys, because without you guys, we wouldn't have none of this. So I'm very, very, very appreciative. You guys are the best.
Thank you, Chris.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks to everybody that helped out box all this up. It was definitely a huge group effort. So with that, guys, we're finally going to wrap this up, and maybe we could sleep one of these nights here. As always, if you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you got to be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Really outro.
Damn. Yeah.